Welcome to the spoken tutorial on relational operators in Java. In this tutorial, you will learn about the Boolean data type, relational operators, and how to compare data using relational operators. For this tutorial, we are using Ubuntu 11.10, JDK 1.6, and Eclipse 3.7. To follow this tutorial, you must have knowledge of data types in Java. If not, for relevant tutorials, please visit our website as shown. Relational operators are used to check for conditions. Their output is a variable of Boolean data type. A Boolean data type is of size 1 bit. It stores only two values, true or false. True is the output when the condition is true. False is the output if the condition is not true. Here is a list of the relational operators available. Greater than, less than, equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. We shall look into each of them in detail. Switch to Eclipse. Here we have the Eclipse IDE and the skeleton required for the rest of the code. I have created a class Boolean demo and added the main method. Now let us add some expressions. Type Boolean b. The keyword Boolean declares the data type of the variable b as Boolean. We shall store the result of our condition in b. We shall define a variable weight and check for a condition using that variable. Int weight equal to 45. We shall check if the value in weight is greater than 40. B equal to weight greater than 40. This statement says check if the value of the variable is greater than 40 and store the result in b. Now let us print the value of b. System.out.println b. Save and run. As we can see, the output is true. Let us see what happens if the value is less than 40. Change weight to 30. Save and run. We can see that the output is false as expected. This way, the greater than symbol is used to check if one value is greater than the other. Similarly, less than symbol is used to check if one value is less than the other. Let us change the greater than to less than symbol. So, we are checking if the value of weight is less than 40. Save, run. As we can see, the output is true as expected. Let us change the value of weight to 45 and see the output. Save and run. We see that we get a false because the condition weight less than 40 is not true. Now let us see how to check if a value is equal to another. To do that, we use two equal to symbols. Change the less than symbol to double equal to. Save and run. As we can see, the output is false because the value of weight is not equal to 40. Now let us change the weight to 40 and see the output. Save and run. As we can see, the output is true. This way, double equal to is used for checking equality. Please be careful because often people use a single equal to symbol for checking equality, and this gives unnecessary errors. Next, we'll see how to check for less than or equal to. To do that, we will use a less than symbol followed by an equal to symbol. Change the double equal to less than equal to. Save and run. The output is true as expected. Now let us change the value of weight to see if the less than check is performed. Change 40 to 30. Save and run. We see that although the weight is not equal to 40, we get the output as true because it is less than 40. Let us see what happens if the value of weight is greater than 40. Let's say 50. Save and run. As we can see, the output is false because the value of weight is not equal to 40 and it is also not less than 40. Similarly, we use a greater than symbol followed by an equal to symbol for checking greater than or equal to. Let us try it. Change less than equal to greater than equal to. Save and run. As we can see, the output is true because the weight is greater than 40. Let us change the weight to a value less than 40. Let's say 30. Save and run. We get a false because the value of weight is not greater than 40 and also not equal to 40. Next, we'll see how to check for not equal to. It is done by using an exclamation mark followed by equal to symbol. Change the greater than to exclamation mark. So this statement says, check if the value of weight is not equal to 40 and store the result in B. Save and run. As we can see, the output is true because the values of weight is not equal to 40. Let us change the weight to 40 and see the output. Change 30 to 40. Save and run. We get a false because the condition weight not equal to 40 is a false. The not equal to condition can be thought of as opposite of equal to condition. And this is how we use the various relational operators to compare data in Java. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learnt about the Boolean data type, the relational operators, and how to use relational operators to compare data. As an assignment for this tutorial, find out if the two expressions shown are equivalent. To know more about the Spoken Tutorial project, watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. The Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the following link. This tutorial has been contributed by Talent Sprint. Thanks for joining.